Unit 1, Part 3, Converting between Radians and Degrees. The first 4 questions ask you to convert from radians to degrees, and when we convert radians to degrees, we multiply by 180 over pi. It's easy to remember because you already have a value that has a pi generally in the numerator, and you're going to multiply it by something that has pi in the denominator so that the pi values will cancel. So for number 1, pi over 6, we're going to multiply it by 180 over pi. The pi values will cancel, and we'll end up with 180. Divided by 6. And we know 180 is going to go into 6 30 times. You can use your calculator to check. So this is going to become 30 degrees. If we click on the number 1, it gives us options to choose from, and we can choose 30 degrees and hit done. For 3 pi over 2, we're in radians, so we need to convert it to degrees by multiplying by 180 over pi. The pi values are going to cancel. We're going to have 3 times 180, and then divided by 2. We can also cancel ahead of time, so we can divide 2 into 180, and we can get 90. So now we just have 3 times 90, which is 270. So 3 pi over 2 is 270 degrees. Click on number 2 and 270 degrees, and then choose done. 7 pi over 6 for letter C. 7 pi over 6, we're in radians again, so we need to multiply it by 180 over pi. Pi will cancel for both. We can multiply straight across, or we can divide ahead of time. 6 goes into 180 30 times. 7 times 30 is 210. So 7 pi over 6 is equal to 210 degrees. Click on the number 3, go to 210, and click done. Last one in this section, part D, or number 4, is 2 pi over 3. It's in radians. We need to multiply it by 180 over pi. Pi is going to cancel. And we can again divide ahead of time. 3 goes into 180 60 times. Yikes. 2 times 60 is 120. So 2 pi over 3 is 120 degrees. Click on number 4, choose 120 degrees, and hit done. The last question says, how do you convert 150 degrees to radians? Explain and give the solution. This time you have degrees, and you need to convert it to radians. So now you're flipping the value that you're multiplying by and using its reciprocal. So you're multiplying by pi over 180. It's easy to remember because you start out with a value that does not have pi in it. You need to multiply by something that has pi in the numerator so that your answer has a pi value in it, because you're giving it in radians. 150 times pi over 180 is going to give us 150 pi over 180, which is a correct answer, but it's not in its lowest terms, so we're not familiar with what radian that's referring to. We need to reduce 150 over 180. We can cancel the zeros, so now we have 15 pi over 18. I can divide 15 by 3 and get 5, and divide 18 by 3 and get 6. So 5 pi over 6 should be our solution, and we can do that by multiplying it by pi over 180. We're going to do that every time. So we're going to tell them that to convert from degrees to radians, multiply by pi over 180. The solution here is 150 degrees equals 5 pi over 6.